Do you just have too much month at the end of your money? Now, envision a life brimming with financial abundance, where the worries of covering your expenses for your car's new tires, they just simply fade away. You don't have to dream about a life of financial stability. If you act, plan, and implement, you can create that life. In this video, I discuss 10 budgeting focus areas on how you can make sure that you're spending your money right. Now, we all tend to neglect number 10, assessing your current financial situation. The first step in mastering your budget is understanding exactly where you are right now. You need to take a deep dive into your expenses, your income, as well as your debts. Create a comprehensive list, including all sources of income and every monthly expense. This will serve as the foundation for building a realistic budget. Setting clear financial goals. Now, once you have a clear picture of your financial framework, it's time to set some goals. Whether it's saving for an emergency fund, paying off debt, or investing for the future, establish tangible and achievable objectives. Having clear goals will provide you with the direction that you need, as well as the motivation for sticking to your budget. Now, for the nitty-gritty of budgeting is categorizing your expenses. Create categories like housing, transportation, groceries, entertainment, as well as your savings. This breakdown allows you to identify areas where you're doing well, where you can allocate more funds, and where you're not doing so well and you can improve on. Ensuring that you have a balanced and a sustainable budget. Leave a comment below with the word budget, and I'll send you a detailed budgeting tool that you can use. Differentiate between needs and wants. It's crucial to distinguish between needs and wants. Needs are essential for living, things like housing, food, utilities. We need them for survival. Wants, on the other hand, are things that are extra. They bring joy. They're not always needed. Now, prioritize your needs in your budget and allocate funds for wants only after taking care of all of your essentials. Emergency funding. Building an emergency fund is the springboard to wealth creation. Aim to save 3 to 6 months worth of your living expenses. This fund acts as a financial safety net, providing peace of mind in the event of unforeseen circumstances like medical emergencies as well as retrenchment. Debt repayment strategies. If you have outstanding debts, strategize on how to tackle them efficiently. Consider the debt snowballing method. This is where you focus on the smallest debt repayments and continually snowballing them into the second, the third, and the fourth. Or you could approach the debt avalanche method. In this method, you start with the highest interest rate first and work your way downwards. Whichever method you choose, make consistent payments to accelerate your journey to financial freedom. Implementing the 50-30-20 rule. Now, the 50-30-20 rule is a popular guideline for budgeting. Allocate 50% of your income towards needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings and investments and debt repayments. Adjust these percentages based on your goal and your lifestyle, but you can use this rule as a good starting point to have a balanced budget. Embracing the envelope system. The envelope system is a tangible way to control your spending. Allocating cash to specific envelopes for different expense categories. And once the money in the envelope has run out, then you're done spending in that category. Now, it's a simple yet effective way to help you curb your overspending. Using budgeting apps. Now, leverage technology to your advantage by using budgeting apps. There are various apps available such as 22/7, Pocketsmith Sidekick, and Spendy that you can use to help you track, monitor, and improve your spending habits and gain some insights also to why you spend money in certain areas. Find the one that aligns with your needs and your preferences. In the description below, I drop all 3 of these for you to review. Review and adjust your budget. Now, a budget is not a static document. It requires regular review and adjustments. Just as life circumstances are ever changing, so should your budget. Schedule monthly check-ins where you assess your progress, you celebrate those achievements from the previous month, and identify areas for improvement. Flexibility is key to maintaining a successful budget. The journey to financial stability is ongoing, and consistency is key. If you find value in the content that we share, make sure to like and subscribe for more financial wisdom. Until next time, make smart money moves.